Welcome! In this quick guide, we'll provide step-by-step instructions for filling out a Permit to Work application form, helping you navigate the process. Step 1. Begin by filling out the Permit Details section. Please note that fields marked with asterisk are mandatory. Ensure your documentation is prepared in advance. Each file should be no larger than 25 megabytes, preferably in PDF or docx format. Step 2. Enter the project name if known. If not, provide a brief description and then select the building location. Step 3. Set the start and end dates for the permit. Be aware that there's a minimum date you can apply from, depending on the permit type. Step 4. Enter your details as the applicant. The email address you provide will be used to send important notifications. Step 5. Add the Curtin Permit Manager's name and email address. Be sure to use a valid Curtin email address. Step 6. Acknowledge the terms by checking the box. Then click Confirm. Review your details, and if everything is accurate, click Submit. If you need to make any changes, click Return. Once your application is submitted, you'll receive an on-screen confirmation and an email notification. The listed permit manager will also receive an email. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at permits@curtin.edu.au.